Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty. Here I am using Nifty daily chart. What is the present trend of Nifty? The trend is on the upside. That is, we are seeing an impulsive move, correction, and for this impulsive move we are seeing a correction, and for this impulsive move again we are seeing a correction. This last day candle, this fall is due to the IT sector's fall, that is the news in the Infosys. So what may expect for the Monday's trading session? Since the daily trend is bullish, that is this overall trend is bullish, we can see a correction till this level. For that we will see the important levels in the hourly time frame. So we will shift the chart to hourly. See, this is the hourly chart. Now we are in this phase. As per daily chart, this is the impulsive move and we are in the correction phase. So what is this level? This is the 50% correction for this complete impulsive move. That is, for this impulsive move, this correction is 0.5 as per Fibonacci retracement level. So this area will act as important support for Nifty this week. What is it? 19,690, and the resistance for this week is 19,991, which is the all-time high that Nifty made on Thursday's trading session, on the expiry day's trading session. So what are the important levels for the coming week? This level 19,690. Then our downside targets for the next week or for the Monday's trading session will be, the first target will be 19,620 is the first target, and the second target will be 19,500. These are the targets for Nifty on downside. On Monday, if Nifty sustains above this level 19,800, then our first target will be 19,887 and second target will be 19,990. These are the upside targets for Nifty for the Monday's trading session. The range for this complete week is, that is the important area of support and resistance for this week is this area, because Nifty, after spending so much time, it has given a breakout of this level, which is 19,500. Here you can see, after spending more than 3 weeks time, it has given a breakout of this level. So this area will act as support for Nifty this week. So support for Nifty this week is 19,500 and resistance for Nifty this week is 19,990. So if any option sellers are there, they can sell this range between 19,500 to 20,000. They can sell this complete range. So what is our view for Nifty in the coming week? We may see a sideways to bullish market for the coming week. Only we can see a major correction below this level. That is, we can short Nifty only below 19,500 and our long position will be, that is, you can play aggressively long for Nifty only above 20,000, below 19,500 and above 20,000. So what is our final view for Nifty for this week? For this impulsive move, we will see a correction till this level. On Monday, we may see a bounce like this, continuation of trend for Nifty. If Nifty sustains above this level, then we may see a continuation pattern. That is, this impulsive move is still valid, correction, and again we can see an impulsive move. Only if index makes a movement like this, and again if it comes down from this level, that is, if it takes a resistance from 20,000 and it trades below this level 19,690, then we can say that we can see a fall for. Let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also in the daily chart, it is in the uptrend. This is the impulsive move. We have seen a correction in the last week till here. Now again we are seeing a impulsive move. So till where will this impulsive move will come? Because on the Friday's trading session Nifty did not support, so Bank Nifty has given a small correction like this. Even on Monday, if it comes till this level, that is 45,650, we may again see a bounce back from this level till 46,760. This week's range for Bank Nifty is from 45,650 to this level. 46,760 is the range for Bank Nifty this week. For Monday's trading session and next week's trading session, we will see the important levels by shifting the time frame to hourly. In here, two chart pattern. This is XABCD pattern and the other one is ABCD pattern. This is ABCD pattern. That is, one is continuation pattern, one is a reversal pattern. below this level, which is 45,925, will short Nifty, Bank Nifty, and above this level, above 46,250, will long Bank Nifty. So what are the important levels for the next trading session, that is for the Monday trading session and next week? Above 46,250, then our first target will be 46,500 will be our first target, and the second target will be 46,760 on the upside. On the downside, only below this level, that is below 45,925, we can short Bank Nifty for the targets of 45,734, and the second target is 45,618. These are the simple levels for Bank Nifty for the coming week and for the Monday's trading session. If for any reason on Monday, if Nifty or Bank Nifty opens gap up or gap down, then we have to reconsider these levels. For that, we will update you in the live market in our Telegram channel. To join our Telegram channel, please use the link in the description below. If you have any questions in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions at the earliest possible. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.